Hello folks, so we're doing a little walk in a wood that's local to us. It's right near a busy main road. You can probably hear it, the traffic. It's actually a really sunny warm day today, so that's why the road's so busy. But we're actually in this wood to try and find a couple of geocaches. We've looked for one of these a few times now and been unsuccessful, so we're hoping today I bet luck and we'll find them. I'll show you my boots, my trainers. So they're the Merrill Moab Speed 2s that I'm wearing. Got loads of grip, brilliant for grip. There's a little bit of mud about, and they're very lightweight as well. I've only worn them a couple of times for short walks, because I do actually wear my Moab 3s for longer hikes. Well, hopefully we'll find this geocache okay today. Here we go. This is the elusive geocache. That's a fake plant that has evaded us for about about 2 years. It's our third attempt at finding it. Yep, that's it. Find it this time. So the elusive geocache is no more. We have it. Well, that's 2 geocaches found. I'll walk around this little wooded area, so that's good. We hadn't really planned on coming out at all today, so an actual bonus to find 2 geocaches. And you've got a few ways you can go here. We're heading up to the top. That's a bridleway, so you can get lots of horses around here. Pinocchio.
Yes, Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. We found Pinocchio. Geocache. Hehe. Good, isn't it? Okay, so we found 2 geocaches. That's all we found today. We tried to look for a third one, but mission impossible. Could not find it. It was a stick amongst thousands of sticks, so we gave up with it. So yeah. Just that short one. I hope you enjoyed it. We're trying to make the most of this weather, even though we didn't get a lot of time today. But it all adds to the vlog collection. Oh, it's real muddy down here. It's very muddy. Not as bikes, is it? It's not just bikes. So yeah folks, I'm going to end it there. Thank you for watching. Please remember, as usual, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome. And this is just a bit of a bonus episode really. Plenty more proper walking to come in the future. Thanks everyone, bye.